in Edo State forest. Amaju Afemi, the Fulani Herdsmen. We need government assistance. We need government assistance. The Fulani Herdsmen.
What happened? What happened? Now pidgin English. What happened? Yes.
The Fulani Herdsmen in Edo State forest. They killed my brother Amaju Afemi. Where they killed him, this my brother is Ovia not East.
Okokodo, Oshodi.
Ugboke, Oshodi, Ariyan, Okokodo, Ovia. We have no peace. We cannot go to farm again. Both the men and the women cannot go to farm again. Please, I need government assistance. If not, they will kill us finish. May government help us.
To see contribute, my name is Sabo Afemi.
Pull your camera out. Pull your mic up. Pull your mic up.
My name is Sabo Afemi. This is this apple. My brother is coming.
Now pidgin English. You pidgin English.
They come for travel. And they come and say, let's make a block road. They kill 2 person for ground. Before you come out this village, now they block up on the road. They begin to fire and they shoot and they kill. And before we reach the end of the government, they all go. They will cut our planty. They will destroy our crop. They will not fire for our farm. We don't get everything we want to talk. We beg government now. The government help us. We not get power for our own. We not get gun. We not get anything. Make government. Obaseki make God help us. We use God beg them. We not get power for ourselves. See my brother now. See Fulani Herdsmen do am. Come on, go for you. We like that.
Gabriel. My name is Gabriel Afemi of Oshodi community. Oshodi community. Ovia North is under Okokodo. Now my senior brother and the king, I made a buffalo. Yesterday around something 10, I made a pass go Oshodi community. As they go, now jam the Fulani Herdsmen. They attack me for the way they use leg they go because back cause Fulani they not fit pass Ugboke. As I mean they use leg they go, me no say they lay ambush. That's why they start to the fire with AK magazine. I thank God, bullet no touch me. Now I escape. As I they go now call my brother say you they come. He say they come for road. Now say Fulani Herdsmen they road do. Find where you go pass enter also the community. Because say go find shortcut pass. Automatic. When I did as I hear call and say they don't fall on yesterday around that kind 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The killer, the shooter with gun for ground. They kill 2 people. We think come be 3. Then one now we say they find the one we never see her. I beg government, more try.
First, we don't want to take laws into our hands, but at the same time, we cannot fold our hands and watch people massacre us. You understand? So you just take it easy. We are working out a lot of things. The body that is still that we have not seen, I already had a discussion with the security agency. They will move into that area. They will move into that area, and I can assure you they will recover that body. Not only recovering that body, we will intensify the security in that area. We will categorize that area as one of the flashpoints in the state, so that you guys can sleep with your eyes closed. But at the same time, we need you, the young men, not to sleep with your eyes closed, so that you can understand what is happening, give us information, and we can also join. You understand? So let us form our own security network, and we'll collaborate with you with our vigilante and the law enforcement. Because when we have information, it is easy to deal with. And that is why we decided that we will not just leave it with police alone or the security agencies alone. We need your collaboration. Because information, they say, is power and key to any success. So on behalf of Mr. Governor, I just want to, it's our loss. It's not just your loss, it's our loss. Because an injury to one or a loss by any community is a loss to all of us.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.